Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your noise audio in your video using CapCut PC. So you can use the noise reduction. Just select your video with the audio and select the audio in the right side, and just scroll down until you find the noise reduction. Just click on it, and noise reduce um, has been applied to your video, and you can hear again your video and how the change. Okay, that's how you can fix your noise audio from your video using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it already. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.